Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload large file for on your GitHub account. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your GitHub account, now we will need to install a new extension or another file extension. So basically you will need to go to git lfs.com, and here you will find this addition for your Git on PC. Then you will need to download it, or you can just download and install it by using this command on the git bash. So we'll go to the git bash and search for git lfs install, and you will have your git lfs large file storage initialized. After that you will need to track your repository. So basically you will need just to add the command, to add the extension of the files that you want to manage. Either it was some project or a code, for example a Java code, GS or a C++, etc. After that you will need to add the file, and then you will need to commit it to your profile or repository, and then you will finally just push this large file to your origin main, which is the branch or on your repository. After that you will find that you will have your large file that will be uploaded here on your repository. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.